for the apple that I stole from the tree. B is for the bumblebee that buzzes by the sea. C is for the cookies that I gobble with delight. D is for the disco where we dance through the night. E is for the echo that keeps bouncing off the wall. F is for the fireworks lighting up the fall. G is for the garden where the flowers always bloom. H is for the hummingbird that sings a sweet tune. A, B, C, let's dance and sing. From A to Z, let's make it swing. Alphabet party, join along. We'll turn these letters into song. I is for the ice cream melting in the heat. J is for the jukebox playing funky beats. K is for the kite flying high above the ground. L is for the laughter that's always around.